So people in the exam, they will ask you MCH indicators, maternal child health indicators. So they want to know the indicators which will tell you about the health of the mother and the child. So for that you have, actually these are mostly mortality rates. You have the maternal mortality ratio. It is not a rate here, it is a ratio. So what is maternal mortality ratio, guys? It is the number of maternal deaths, right, per 1 lakh live births, right? So what is this? This is maternal mortality ratio. And this is currently 113. That is 113 mothers die for 1 lakh live births. The target is to achieve 100 to reduce it to 100. So this is current value. Then you have the perinatal mortality rate. We are not going to that. The death of the baby. All these are death of the baby. Then you have stillbirth rate. Not going to that. Neonatal mortality rate is 28. Within 28 days of birth if the child dies. So the current value for this one is 24 per 1000 live births. Only remember MMR is 1 lakh live births. Everything else will be per 1000 live births. Okay. All of them will be per 1000 live births. Okay. So you remember, you don't have to remember all values. Just remember some values. You can remember maternal mortality ratio. It is 113. Neonatal mortality ratio is 24. Infant mortality rate is 32. 32 you should remember, this is the current value. Okay. Infant mortality rate means death within the first year of life, but after the 28 days, because 28 days it's still a neonate. Okay. Then you have under 5 mortality rate, again for 1 lakh live births only. This is also under 5 mortality rate means from the child from 1 year to 5 years if it dies, right? That will be, that is 39.1. No need to remember that. I think that will become too much. So you know the current values and the MCH indicators. Sometimes you can just add as total fertility rate, etc. Right? They want to achieve what? 2.1, right? Currently, I think it's 2.2. So they want to achieve 2.1. What do you say? So India is the blue. They are showing 2.2 births per woman. So I think this is not exactly a MCH indicator. So let's put it outside. So how do you get this information, guys? These values, current values, we have seen it in, you remember, in sample registration system. So this is a health information system. And here you can see birth rate 20, death rate in India 6, infant deaths per 1000 live births. This is IMR 32. Then what else you're getting? IMR 32 they gave you, and then giving MMR, maternal mortality ratio. Remember, it's ratio. Numerator is not a part of denominator. It's maternal deaths divided by 1 lakh per 1 lakh live births. Okay. So currently 113. So you understood how the values are also we are getting, right? So 113 you saw, and infant mortality rate 32. Did you forget it? Seeing 32? See here. 32 infant deaths per 1000 live births. Okay. So these are your MCH indicators, maternal and child health indicators. If at the end you just write one thing, what for MCH to improve, what are they doing? You have the, which is the national program, guys? You have the reproductive maternal RMNCH plus A. This is a strategy, right? Reproductive, maternal, neonatal, child health, and even adolescents health they have added now. Under this you have what and all programs? You have the Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram, Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritya Abhiyan. Then you have what else? These are for mothers, right? You have something called a Suman, Lakshya, safe delivery strategy you have. Then you have Anemia Mukt Bharat for IFA program, right? For pregnant women. Then what else you have? This is the Suman, Surakshit Matritva Ashwasan. So many programs are there, right? So do you know where MCH indicators come under health indicators? Under health indicators, basically whatever you saw now, most of them are mortality indicators. So remember what you have seen. You have what you saw now is all this. Maternal or puerperal mortality ratio we saw, then infant mortality rate. Then we saw under 5 mortality rate, right? Basically all these are mortality rates which became MCH indicators. Okay guys, so we will meet you in the next video. Bye bye. And for children, you have a lot of other national programs. You have to write Integrated Child Development Services, UNICEF, all those you write, okay? You know this GOBI FFF under UNICEF, growth, oral rehydration, breastfeeding, immunization, family planning, female education, food supplement. Okay, that's coming under UNICEF. See, for newborn, they have Navajat Shishu Suraksha Karyakram, something like that. Then for child, you have Rashtriya Bal Suraksha Karyakram, right? So all these you can add for keeping the child's health. Look at the target that they want to achieve for infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate, they want to make it less than 25. Okay. This is by 2027 actually. 2027.